Aloha! Welcome to KTA's Quick and Ono recipe. I'm Chef Ryan Covert, and today we're making Asian-style grilled chicken salad. Let's start with the marinade. Grab a medium-sized bowl and add in the oyster sauce, soy sauce, rice wine vinegar, garlic, ginger, and chili sauce. Add in the chicken thighs, mix well, and marinate for 1 hour in the refrigerator. Grill the chicken for 4 to 5 minutes on each side or until nicely charred outside and juicy yet fully cooked inside. Let the chicken rest for 3 to 5 minutes before cutting into bite-sized pieces. To make the dressing, get a small bowl and add in the fish sauce, honey or agave, oyster sauce, garlic, lime juice, and Hawaiian chilies. Mix well and set aside. In a large bowl, add the cucumbers, tomatoes, red onion, cilantro, mint, Thai basil, chopped chicken, and dressing, and mix together well. This is a great refreshing salad for a hot summer day. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.